Congratulations on the purchase of your new LG side-by-side refrigerator. Let's go over a few important checkpoints to make sure you install your refrigerator properly. First, check the size of the refrigerator. Make sure you have enough space where you install it and to use it freely. You will need at least 2 inches of space between refrigerator and the walls and 2 inches behind the refrigerator. Make sure you have enough space in the back. You should also check whether you have enough room in front of the refrigerator to open the doors and drawers fully. It is a good idea to check the pathway to the installation location for proper clearance. You may need to remove the refrigerator doors to pass the appliance through narrow door frames. You should call your LG service center to remove and assemble the doors. Also be sure to have a firm and leveled flooring where the installation is to take place. The appliance must be installed and leveled on a solidly rigid constructed floor to avoid noise and vibration. If necessary, adjust the leveling legs to compensate for the unevenness of the floor. Check out our video on how to level the refrigerator if you need assistance. You should also check the installation environment. Install your refrigerator in an area where the temperature is between 41 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 degrees Celsius, and 110 degrees Fahrenheit, 43 degrees Celsius. If the ambient temperature around the refrigerator is too low or too high, cooling abilities may be adversely affected. Do not place the refrigerator in direct sunlight or expose it to heat from heating appliances such as stoves or heaters. Next, check to ensure you have the correct AC electrical outlet. Only connect this refrigerator to a dedicated grounded electrical outlet rated for use with this model. Always connect the refrigerator plug directly to the wall AC outlet. Lastly, you will also need access to a cold water supply. This is to operate the water dispenser and automatic ice maker. Make sure there is sufficient water pressure. If the water pressure is too low, you will need to install a booster pump. And those are the important things to check before installing your new LG refrigerator. Thank you for using LG refrigerators.